It's been so hot outside lately. I thought we'd try a copycat Wendy's Frosty today. That sounds delicious. All right, these are the ingredients. We're gonna need a half gallon of chocolate milk, 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, and a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. So all we're gonna do is just blend everything together. So we'll do about half of the Cool Whip. About half of the milk. Put the lid on and then blend well. Now I'm going to pour this into a bowl that will go into the freezer, so something that will work with your freezer. And then I'm just going to mix the second half. And blend this as well. I'm just going to pour this in the bowl with the other. Ooh, it all fit. This is going to make a big batch. If you prefer to make individuals, you can put them in mason jars with a lid, put that in your freezer, and then once an hour take them out and shake them up. With this batch, I'm going to take it out once an hour and stir it until it gets to the desired consistency. This isn't my first video. Okay. It's been in there for several hours.
Oh my goodness. Gonna talk? Okay.
This is a really good frosty consistency. I'm just gonna scoop it up into the cup.
Looks delicious. I love a frosty. Oh wow.
Does it taste like a frosty?
Identical. I don't know why. It's better than ice cream. It's easy. I don't know why we would not just do this every time. With the cost of ice cream at the grocery store, this is the way to go, right here. I think it literally is perfect. You can't taste more frosty than that, can it?
It does taste just like a frosty.
Yep. Homemade Frosties. Right there. Face.
That's a little too good.
That's awesome. We'll put it up for the kids tomorrow when they all come over.
Okay. Oh, perfect.
Yeah.